How to factory reset your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro and other Pixel device running the Android 15 version. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down and find the system option. Tap the system on your Pixel 9, Pixel 8 or other device, Pixel device running Android 15. Tap on a system. Again scroll down. Tap the reset option at the bottom and now here you can see different reset option setting on your Pixel device. Tap the end option, erase all data, factory reset. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of available data that will remove when you factory reset your Pixel 9 series and other device. Make sure backup your important data before factory reset it. You can see the erase all data from your phone, internal storage, your Google account, system app data, download apps, music, photo. You can see the list of account remove. Tap on erase all data button at the bottom right side. Now confirm your screen lock. Now erase all data. Again you can see the pop-up. All of your personal information and download apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action. When you tap on the erase all data, it will remove all your data or reset your phone to factory default. So make sure backup your important data. After that, tap on erase all data to factory reset Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro and other Pixel device running the Android 15 version. That's it. If you like it, share it.